Up to Fire Zat. Dam is sibling to two 1.60 m horses. Up to Fire Zat hails from a strong performance lineage, with his dam being a half-sister to the international 160 level horses AD Nouvelle Europe Zat, ridden by Feyschoch, and Double Black, ridden by Michael Kölz. He has the same grand dam as the 150 and 160 level horses Chico Zat and Charming Dream Zat. This is the dam line of outstanding horses like Renata La Sia and Reboso La Sia. This family has consistently produced successful horses across generations. Sire Ab van Paradijs is one of Willem Rewe's future talents and presents his first crop of foals.